When you link tasks, you create scheduling relationships between the tasks. These task relationships are called dependencies, as in, the start of this task is dependent upon the completion of a prior task. Once you create task dependencies, also called links, Project can automatically adjust the scheduling of linked tasks as changes occur in your plan. Creating dependencies by linking tasks is crucial to getting the full benefit of Project's scheduling engine. Let's look at one type of dependency relationship that you can create between two tasks. Most plans require tasks to be performed in a specific order. For example, the task of writing a chapter of a book must be completed before the task of editing the chapter can occur. These two tasks have a finish-to-start relationship, which has two aspects. The second task must occur after the first task. This is called a sequence. And the second task can occur only if the first task is completed. This is a dependency. In Project, the first task, write the chapter, is called the predecessor because it precedes tasks that depend on it. The second task, edit the chapter, is called the successor because it succeeds or follows tasks on which it is dependent. Any task can be a predecessor for one or more successor tasks. Likewise, any task can be a successor for one or more predecessor tasks. Two tasks can have one of only four types of task relationships: finish to start to start, finish to finish, and start to finish. Representing task relationships and handling changes to scheduled start and finish dates are two areas where the use of a scheduling engine, such as Project, really pays off. Let's take a closer look. This is a screenshot of tasks organized in phases, but they are not yet linked. Now the tasks are linked to one another. Task 6 is a predecessor of Task 7. Task 7 is a successor of Task 6 and a predecessor of Task 8. Task 8 is also the successor to Task 7. By default, Project sets new tasks to be manually scheduled. In fact, so far in this course, you've worked only with manually scheduled tasks. In Project, you control the scheduling of tasks in two different ways. Work with manually scheduled tasks to quickly capture some details, but without fully scheduling a task. Think of a manually scheduled task as an initial placeholder you can create at any time without affecting the rest of the plan. You might not initially know more than the task name, and that's okay. As you discover or decide more details about the task, such as when it should occur, you can add those details to the plan. Work with automatically scheduled tasks to take full advantage of the powerful scheduling engine in Project. With automatic scheduling, Project updates calculated schedule values such as task durations, start dates, and finish dates automatically in response to changes in a plan. Changes to factors such as constraints, task relationships, and calendars can also cause Project to recalculate affected tasks. Let's take a closer look. There are a number of ways to check the plan's finish date and duration. Note the start and finish dates in the timeline view at the top. Check the date and duration values of the project summary task, which is identified as Task 0. Or check the start, finish, and duration values in the Project Statistics dialog box. In the upcoming demonstration, you'll see how to link tasks and how to convert tasks from manual to automatic scheduling.